Hey guys, to date, Honor partially revealed the Magic 2 at IFA Berlin. And it has a completely bezel-less design, like the Vivo X and the Oppo Find X. Xiaomi is not at IFA, but its president, Lin Ben, decided to take away focus from the Honor Magic 2 by posting a picture of the upcoming Mi Mix 3. The Mi Mix 3 is shown in the leak, has a full-screen display, with no notch and chin. This means the front-facing camera, sensors, and speaker have a new home. You guessed it right, behind the display. Xiaomi has decided to join Oppo and Honor on the slider train for its upcoming flagship. However, its own design is a bit different. Unlike the Find X, that only has a small section of the back half sliding out, the whole of the back half of the Mi Mix 3 slides upwards. This means the Mi Mix 3 has two longitudinal halves. With this sort of design, the slide mechanism isn't motorized, but manual. It also means the Mi Mix 3 will likely not be waterproof, though it may be splash-proof as long as it isn't opened. No specs have been revealed, but we have a launch date. According to Xiaomi CEO, the Mi Mix 3 will launch at the end of October. Global spokesperson Donovan Sun also confirmed on Twitter that the Mi Mix 3 will launch in October. We expect the phone to come with top-end specs, such as an AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 845 processor, up to 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.